Hi, JD Cap 26 here for Just Do the Repairs and Tips. And here's the tank, and I'm going to change and put new thread locker right there on that pop-off valve. But first we have to make sure the tank is, all the air is out, so we got to turn this. Make sure the gauge goes all the way down to 0 before you work on it. So you want to take corresponding wrenches here, put one on the bottom here because there's a nut on the bottom and one on the top, and see how that is loose. Definitely loose. Just gonna loosen it up. Okay. That's tight. And that's loose. So just spin this off. Whoop. I got a pin there. The ball valve goes in the center. See how it goes in the center here? Like so. And there was no thread locker inside here, so that's why it was leaking. One point of it. To show this, there was no thread locker there, and that's what was producing the leak. So we're going to put some Loctite 545 on there, anaerobic sealant, and put that back together. And when you put the sealant on, you want to make sure you put a good liberal amount of sealant around here. Just don't put, here and let it go around. Put it around the whole fitting. You have it around the whole fitting, so, like so. And when I put it, screw it in there. Hopefully this will really take and block up the whole problem we were having. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Okay, and then I'm going to put a little this ball goes in the center right there, like so. This ball goes in the center right there. Okay, and then we want to put a little Loctite in this jam nut. We have Loctite on there. This goes on top. It screws on top like this. Five-eighths. So this tightens up against this with the Loctite. And then you have to wait 24 hours to 3 days. I prefer 3 days. So that's how you fix and seal that pop-off valve on this tank. I hope this helped you. Have a great day.